We're back with breaking updates now coming in after the controversial program in West Bengal and the Babri controversy sparking a fresh debate. The Congress party is reportedly backing Babri-related demands in the state. The Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has reminded the public about 70% population and their haq. In fact, he goes on to refer to the fact that Muslims make up to 70% of the population in Murshidabad district, arguing that the Muslim community has the right to build religious places that are proportional to their population, using the logic that religious rights should correspond with demographic strength.
But yes, foundation stone has been laid in the full glare of media. And before it, the High Court was also got the information, and High Court also took the cognizance, and accordingly High Court also issued the direction to the state government and central government, because it is a right enjoyed by all the people of our country, along with all the religious affiliations, to construct their own mosque or temple or church or gurudwara.
My colleague Shivam joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Shivam, is the Congress party fanning the communal fires in Bengal? Because this statement by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary suggests that there should be religious worship places proportional to the population. But the entire controversy has been over the entire Babri structure that has been spoken of.
Well, exactly. Now, it seems like, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who never missed any chance to criticize any TMC leader, any TMC MLA, is now taking almost a neutral, in fact, subtly supporting what has been happening in the last 2 days in Murshidabad. Now, he has put the ball in the court of Mamata Banerjee and TMC and said that it is TMC who needs to respond. So, as a political party, what is the responsibility of Congress? It is something that he has not clarified. He has in fact gone on to say that since there is 70 to 80% population, Muslim population in Murshidabad, that is why the sentiments of every person in that particular constituency, in that particular area, needs to be catered to, and there is no problem in building up a mosque. But he needs to explain that the name of the mosque and then the intention behind the mosque ahead of the election to appease a particular Muslim vote bank, those poor people who carried those bricks to that particular place, is something that is again under question. You can build a mosque, but the intention, the name of that particular mosque which is in contention, is something that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has almost conveniently ignored, and he has asked TMC and Mamata Banerjee why she is still silent. He has also questioned if there are any ulterior motive of BJP and TMC behind these to segregate more votes. So now Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary making this comment, which looks like he has supported Humayun Kabir, but again criticized the TMC.
Okay, all right. Big controversy and more political reactions also expected. Shivam, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details.